Now let's go over the select distinct statement, which is used to return only distinct different values, meaning if there is a table that has the same exact value across multiple rows and you use your select distinct, you will actually dedupe those values to where you will only show one line or row for that value. Now let's run this query just so I can show you an example. As you can see here, by running this query, I'm getting 290 rows in return, and I have some duplicate rows, like marketing specialist is duplicated across multiple rows. We have this production supervisor WC60, actually, yep, it's in here too. The technician as well, it's across multiple rows. If you want to only show one row for each value within your table, you will need to use the select distinct function or command. Let's try that. This is how you write it: select distinct, your column name, and you use your from your source table, and you just hit execute or F5 on your keyboard. Now, as you can see, we just executed this query, and the total of columns is no longer 290 with all those duplicate values. However, it's only 67 rows because these are distinct, unique values. You will not see anything duplicating here. I'm going to scroll down so you can see for yourself that nothing or no value here is duplicated more than once. Going all the way to row number 67. And this is how you use select distinct to duplicate values within a table.